guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw. Let's start with this. We put a circle on it. Make sure hold the thing in case it might move. But if you don't have this at home, try an object that is circled. Balloon lips. After you're finished, begin to add like some patterns like in a cow. This is where we live, which is called Earth. Here in other places there is a lot of brand new planets. So we need another circle object to make the different